Hey, do you have a motorcycle?
Yes, that one.
Does it have problem?
It's lots of problems. It's
Take
really...
it to a mechanic, all right?
Well, I was thinking planning on doing it myself.
No. Take it to a mechanic, all right? You want this bad boy to be fixed up, good, beautiful? Oh, you want it to be done right? You take it to me. I'm a mechanic. Today we're fixing it, kinda. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we have a 2003 carbureted Honda Shadow 750. It is beautiful. It has no carburetors. It has no airbox. It has no gas tank because we took it out. And today we're gonna start fixing stuff. Last time we took all the stuff out. Now we're gonna start doing stuff. All right. We got first issue, toggle clutch, suboptimal. We're gonna fix that. All right. Second issue. Handlebars are bent, all right? That's no good. Next, it needs an oil change. We're gonna change the oil, and the spark plugs are bad, so we're gonna put new ones in. And the ignition coils are bad as well, but we don't have those, so.
They're on order.
They're on order. Oh yeah, if you're here to learn from us, I'm gonna tell you right now, you need to leave. You stupid idiot, you need to get out, because the only thing you're gonna know after watching this video is how to do stuff wrong, which is useful too, so stay watching, don't leave, I'll kill you. Spark plugs. Now let me tell you something about spark plugs. They're so difficult to do.
Don't twist. Yeah.
You couldn't have done that. Bring your bike to a mechanic. Like us.
You gotta listen to it.
You have to listen to it. It's like a watch. It's a very fine line. Here we go. Here's the and that's how you tighten a spark plug.
All right, there's spark plugs. Done.
Check it off the list.
Yep, there.
You can't move. Change time. Where is the oil drain bolt? Your turn.
All right, everybody. I'm the oil specialist. He's
Shut up, just go do it.
You know, couch right. This right here.
Oh, it has a dipstick.
It has a dipstick? Cool. Interesting. All right, so if we look under here, drain bolt is right there. Oil filter is right there. Oil filter is luckily very easy to get to.
Oh, nice. What?
We need the drain bolt hard to get to. This bolt right here, there's no way to get to it directly. So I have to use one of these bits here to get to that thing.
All right, YouTube. As you know, we're having issues with the oil pan, and as you can see, we didn't fix it. We don't have a wrench. We don't have an 18mm wrench, so we can't get it out. And it's stripped, so the adjustable one we have won't work either. So, instead of that, we're moving on to the next issue, the clutch cable. Now, as you know, it's broken. What the fuck? Is it just rusty as shit? There we go. Now that, ooh, smell that.
Oh,
I don't know what they put in there, but it was not doing a good job. I'll tell you what. This is supposed to be like a bearing that it would just spin around in, and when we turned it, it had so much friction on that bearing that it was turning, that it was.
so do you think it's just?
It's the lever. It's not the cable, I don't think. So we'll clean this off really good.
Clean this.
We'll clean the inside of this off really good. We'll put a little bit of WD-40 maybe. While this guy was out playing in the snow, I was putting in the work fixing this bad boy. Come on. Dead zone, nice, a little bit of dead zone. Look at that.
Give it a little flick out.
That's how a clutch should work, baby. What is next? Straighten the handlebars time, all right.
Time to straighten the handlebar.
Let's find a wall, right? So I just gotta. Yeah, I fixed it.
It's actually fixed.
Yeah. All right, baby girl. You straight now. You like the correct gender.
So.
Is that controversial?
A little.
This is why you always go to a mechanic, because you know that the standard of care that you're gonna get is gonna be what you just saw. Very good. Oh. Very careful. We're gonna We're gonna take care of your vehicle. We're gonna do what has to be done. And when we're done, we're gonna be back, guys. Don't worry. We're gonna get this boy up and running. Next video with this guy is gonna be us riding in perfect weather conditions, such as the snow. Yeah.